In the digital age, the choice of programming language may seem daunting, but understanding the unique strengths of each option simplifies the decision-making process. As technology continues to evolve, individuals must align their language learning with industry demands, ensuring relevance in an ever-changing landscape. Among the languages discussed, Python remains a standout, not only for its accessibility to beginners but also due to its robust applications across various fields. If you envision yourself in artificial intelligence, data science, or any domain requiring significant computational prowess, Python lays a strong foundation. While Python is highly recommended, it's crucial to acknowledge that other languages can significantly bolster one's skill set. For example, JavaScript's importance in web development cannot be overstated. Mastering it not only opens doors to full-stack development but is also an essential asset for those interested in creating dynamic, interactive user experiences. Furthermore, learning Java allows flexibility within enterprise environments and Android applications, which are critical in the tech industry today. C++, known for its performance-intensive applications, and Rust, with its focus on safety, illustrate the diversity among programming languages and their specific applications in technology. As you explore these options, consider your personal interests aligned with market trends so you can strategically navigate your programming journey. Choosing a programming language is just the beginning of your adventure in tech. Motivating yourself and remaining curious will drive your growth in this expansive digital landscape. Each language has its place, and combining knowledge across multiple languages could give you a competitive edge as you forge your path in the tech world of tomorrow. The importance of these languages extends beyond mere usage. They each embody philosophies that reflect the underlying principles of the technology landscape. For instance, embracing Python can streamline problem-solving with its intuitive design, while delving into C++ can deepen one's understanding of system-level programming. Exploring Rust opens up avenues for safe concurrent programming, emphasizing reliability and performance. As you contemplate your learning journey, remember that the balance between specialization and versatility can greatly enhance your adaptability in a rapidly evolving tech environment, ensuring that you are well equipped to tackle challenges in whatever domain you choose. Consider this an invitation to engage with technology on a deeper level, armed with the skills and knowledge that empower you to shape the future. As you embark on your programming journey, remember to leverage community resources and forums for support and guidance. Engaging with other learners can foster collaboration and keep your motivation high, offering diverse perspectives that deepen your understanding. Additionally, consider complementing your chosen language with practical projects that enhance your skills, whether through open-source contributions or personal endeavors. This hands-on approach empowers you to apply theoretical knowledge, bridging the gap between learning and real-world application. By actively participating in coding challenges and hackathons, you can further refine your abilities while networking with like-minded individuals who share your passion for technology. Ultimately, dedication and curiosity will drive your success, allowing you to navigate the intricate landscape of programming with confidence as you move forward into 2025 and beyond. As technology continues to stratify, the ability to adapt and pivot toward emerging programming languages becomes increasingly crucial. While it's easy to anchor one's learning to a single language, diversifying your skill set can lead to innovative solutions and creative approaches. Embracing the synergy of different programming paradigms not only enhances problem-solving capabilities but also prepares you for diverse roles within the tech ecosystem. Ultimately, this multifaceted strategy positions you favorably within a competitive job market while fostering a deeper understanding of the complex systems driving today's advancements. As you contemplate your options, take a moment to connect your passion with practical application. The tech world thrives on creativity and innovation. Engaging with projects that resonate with your interests can not only provide motivation but also invite real-world challenges to overcome. Consider collaborating on projects or delving into community-driven platforms, where your contributions can make a tangible impact. Embracing these experiences allows you to leverage your skills meaningfully, while also cultivating relationships with mentors and peers who can guide you through this dynamic landscape. With each line of code you write, you shape your future and contribute to the ever-evolving narrative of technology. Balancing ambition with resourcefulness will be your keys to success, unlocking endless possibilities in the vibrant realm of programming. As you navigate the complex landscape of programming languages, remember that your learning should reflect not just industry trends but also your own core interests. Each line of code you write contributes to a greater tapestry of technology, and embracing the journey is key to discovering where your passions lie. In this rapidly evolving world, take the time to explore diverse languages, connect with communities, and engage in collaborative projects that will enrich your experience and skill set. Choosing the right language is just the beginning. It's the enthusiasm and dedication you bring that will shape your success in the digital age. As you make your choice, envision not just the present but the evolving landscape of technology ahead. In conclusion, the journey into programming is an opportunity filled with potential, allowing you to innovate and shape the technology of tomorrow, regardless of the language you choose. Engage fully, stay curious, and let your passion guide you in this exciting field. Happy coding! Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.